Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us do a quick unboxing and overview of the PlayStation 5 Pulse 3D wireless headset. So this is the Pulse 3D headset that is launched along with the PlayStation 5, and you can order the PlayStation 5 now, and those are available from November 3rd week. We pre-ordered the PS5 bundle and got the headphones earlier. In terms of looks and design, these headphones look pretty cool. They have a really modern and stylish design, and it's quite unique too. So you can use these headphones with your PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 and PS Vita, so that's pretty nice. Also, if we talk about new features, the rear side of the box, it's written it has dual hidden microphones for enhanced noise cancelling technology, built-in rechargeable battery that gives up to 12 hours of play time, easy access controls, 3.5mm jack, refined ear pads, and also wireless adapter. So all these features will be really cool for high-end gaming. This headphone is fine-tuned for 3D audio and PS5 console, so you will definitely enjoy some exclusive games like Spider-Man or other exclusive games. Doing a quick unboxing, here we have some paperwork, etc. Then we have the wireless adapter with a PlayStation logo on it. Then we get the 3.5mm earphone plug. Then we have the USB Type-C cable. Then we have the Pulse 3D headphones. So these headphones are in white color, and they definitely look too cool. They're really stylish and one of a unique kind out there. So to the sides, you can see here we have few buttons. So if you turn on this button, the headphones will get turned on, and it'll give a blue color light, which means that you can connect to your PlayStation and use this headphone. In terms of design and fit, they fit really well and are made for long-term usage. The ear pads are really soft and comfy, which means you can definitely wear them for long gaming sessions and you won't feel any discomfort at all. Some sound, they're definitely one of the best headphones that we have tried till now for any console. So they are really well made by Sony, specific for PlayStation consoles. We also got the PlayStation 5 media remote. Just in case if you are interested, you can go to description and check the link. There will be a video where you can go and check the unboxing and overview of the PlayStation 5 media remote. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.